Hey everyone, this is Scott with TrendPunk Product Reviews, and today we are looking at the MOONIES Impossibly Compact Mini Wipes. This one is Aloe. And you can get these in different fragrances such as coconut, lavender, and yes, aloe, as I just discussed. But no matter what fragrance you get, this is an incredible product because it is very compact. You can put it in your pocket. It's easy to travel with, easy to access, grab and go. If you have kids, you never know when you're going to need it. And each one of these little packs holds 6 wipes that are baby class safe, which means 99.5% of this product is EDI ultra pure water and natural plant extracts. And really, this is great for everyone, men, women, children, you name it. We here at TrendPunk don't go anywhere without one of these in our pockets. We give it 2 thumbs up.